Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Trendy Kimaya. Today we are going to make a paper rose like this. It looks so beautiful. The materials you need is a glass. I took a glass cup because because when you put it on here, I can see from the bottom when it's finished. If you want, you can also take a glass cup, but I don't think it's safety, but it's okay. Then you need a glue stick. You need cut out circles out of paper. I have made this way before. You can use any color you want because it's your opinion. So let me start. First you're going to open your glue. Now you're going to take your paper circle, and what you're exactly going to do, you're going to keep this in the cup and just do it like this. In the first row, you're not going to use any glue because you're not going to stick it to the cup. So first you're going to do this all around until it's covered. You're going to do in the first area. Only 3, but when you keep going, it's going to do. So after you're done doing this, now you're going to take your glue and put all around the paper circle. You just put because it's going to stack up a lot. Now we're going to take your next, and you see this kind of corners, we're going to paste there first of all. And it's going to keep going. Oh my god, I just took everything out. Oh, I took everything out. Oh, I took everything. Okay, wait, let me restart this. Okay. It's gonna be keep going until the middle. You have a small, tiny hole. It's gonna look like a rose, which will look very beautiful. You can do it red color, but I didn't have red color paper because I needed a lot of paper. Not that, I think first I used like 4 papers that I drew 6 circles in each one. And then I think I had like 4 more papers. And I drew 3 circles in each one, but I don't know. I guess you need 8 papers. And so now it's looking not that much, but I'm making progress. I don't know how many circles this needs to make the flower. Now we're going to put a second layer. This is like we're building a tower. It's going to take you some minutes to do this because you have to keep sticking. So I'm going to go a little faster to finish this. Put the third layer. Okay, now I'm going to take another circle. Do this fast. This looks like Pringles, like those chips. I love those, but I don't know. It tastes good. Oh, we're making progress. I actually think I'm not going to use all of this paper, but I do think, or I'm going to have some circles left, and maybe I'll just make another one. 3 flowers. I'm going to use different color. Maybe I'll do a combo like green and this blue, like a color match, you know. So I'm gonna might do that. Okay, let's see how. Oh, it's turning into a rose. I think this is gonna be really fast. Wait, can I take this out? No, I don't want to take it. Oh, you know what? Now we're not even going to flip the side. We're gonna do it until we finish. We're gonna flip because I want to see how beautiful it looks at the end. Glue in my hand. Let's put this. And guys, you can put some comments because I love responding to every comment, every support you guys put. So I will answer anything. Like you can put any comment. I will answer it for sure. Oh my God. Wait, let me actually remove this. Let me just remove this.
Wow,
Now I'm going to put double actually. Double. Because I don't want this to fall. Okay. Wait, let me take this one. Oh my God, wait. I don't know how to put it. Oh, okay. Put it. Because I don't want this to fall apart. I will have a serious problem. We're gonna have a serious problem. Well, let me put this again because it's going to cover the whole space immediately, and then it's not gonna stick. So I'm gonna put this. If this falls down, I'm in serious problems. Because I have to remove everything down. So that's right. Oh, wait. It gets so it gets so fast. Wait, did it just look down? Wait a minute. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. I just love beautiful things because it looks so beautiful. Okay, let me put this. Put that. Let me put that. Okay, now do another swirl. I think I'm going to use glue this entire video actually because I'm using a lot of glue. Oh my God. Let me speed run this, but I cannot. Let me go some fast. Oh, it looks so beautiful. How many times am I going to say that word? I think I said like 12 times right now. Not 12, 20. 20 times. Oh my God. I don't know if this is... No, it's supposed to be like one whole, like a big... Not big, small. Let me put this. Oh my God, I'm already tired. I'm tired. After this video, I'm gonna take a nap because I don't know why my hands are. Wait, do I have that? No, I thought I had so much less. Like, I cut so many pages and done. Colors, everything finished. I think we're starting to actually make progress. Wait, I didn't say down. No. Good thing because I'm gonna look at the end only. Because I said I'm gonna look at the end. This part just looks like Pringles. I actually want to make a Pringle flower. Okay, I have no idea how will that work. Okay. I want this to finish. Oh, I have glue in my hand. Let me do this first. Oh my God. Do this first. Oh my God, the circle fell. Wait, I'm finishing circle so much fast. You know, I'm gonna use every bit of this circle that I have. Everything. Like all of this. Because I don't want to waste. Like if I have any more like okay. Did my glue gun? Wait, let me just get my glue. Got my glue gun. Okay. Look, I thought I didn't stick in. I'll just stick right here. Oh my god. I finished it so fast, I feel like. I don't know how many minutes or seconds this video took. But I'm gonna check. I think it's gonna be like, it has been like 10 minutes since I have 3 more, that's perfect. 2. Wait, let me just do this math calculation. It's from here to here, it's going to be, what am I? Oh, oh, my hand! Let's move this. It's like so tiny down there. And we finish. Let me spread the glue around. Thanks. Oh my god, I wanna see it. I'm gonna let you guys see first. I have no idea how this looks. Wait, let me actually move my hand. Okay, I'm gonna take a look. Oh my god, wait, this actually looks so nice. Let me remove this. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Now I have 2 roses, but this one is a bigger hole than that one. I guess I ran out of paper. And that's why it's small. I don't remember. But it looks so beautiful. Wait, let me fix this actually. And I can even put the cup. Let me see if I did it in this cup. I'm not sure because I made it 1 year ago. Oh my god. I think I made it in this cup, but I don't remember. But I finished making the beautiful rose ever. So now I'm going to stop the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join the Trendy Kimaya family. See you soon. Bye.